tunataka kuongelea.
But pia inasaidia.
Mmoja wao ni unaitwa manapatu. Dogo unahusika
Kama 11 hakuna hiyo kadi. But tuna hiyo msaada unapata. Huwezi leta
unless we are ready for mass assessments and we normally do the mass.
The water is cool. But when it's very hot,
we are carrying out this project in these 2 counties which face different dynamics of climate action as we speak about green transition. Sometimes we find that the topic of climate change can be really technical for many of us, including many women with disabilities, especially at the grassroots level.
We are quite well aware that women with disabilities are the ones who are disproportionately affected, and yet they are the ones who have been left behind. They are the ones who have been left behind a lot of times. So we are very happy to have engaged them today. We are very happy for the feedbacks they have given.
Leo nimejifunza namna ambavyo climate change ina affect ama ina adhiri watu ambao wanaishi, watu ambao ni walemavu. Pia nimegundua kwamba kuna barriers nyingi ambazo ni wajibu wetu kama sisi viongozi wa watu walemavu